Minister has been targeting, saying that it's the Make in India program which is bringing jobs here. So he's responding to Rahul Gandhi's speech.
So I would like to ask the Honorable Minister for IT and Electronics, why did Make in India fail? What was the allocation for the PLI and why didn't it take off? It was some $2 billion. They could not even commit to half of it. And very categorically, I have replied to the Honorable Minister to understand how the Apple story started. The Andhra Pradesh, the Andhra Pradesh CAM said it will come to Andhra Pradesh, sir. Hyderabad barutte andra. Maharashtra CM Fadnavis said that Apple is manufacturing will start in Maharashtra. If you remember, he made a press announcement. Mr. KTR did a press announcement along with Steve Jobs in one of the things. I mean, not a press announcement. He had some interaction with Tim Cook, not Mr. Jobs, with Tim Cook. And people thought it's going there. The PMO said it is going to Gujarat. Where did it come? It came to Karnataka through Wistron that time. That time Foxconn was not there. Wistron was there, OEM that time. Night 1 a.m. we opened the doors of Vikas Sauda. I was the minister. I gave a presentation to Cupertino. Ratri 1 gantege, sir. Ratri 1 gantege Vikas Saudada bagilana tegdi nanu nam teamu Cupertinoge now presentation kottmele Apple bandidilli through Wistron. First it was Wistron, then came Foxconn, then Wistron got taken over by Tata Electronics, and that's how the Apple saga started here. What is Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav talking about? Like I said, they like taking credit for everything we have done. Tomorrow they will tell like how Mr. Modi will take credit for Mangalyaan, Gaganyaan, Chandrayaan also, no? But who built ISRO? Who built ISRO? Who built HAL? Who built NAL? Who built HMT? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ is nothing but good at two things, vote chori